Oh yeah, carry on.
But since is going to use market talk, more than the fool who myself. Because Mama Suzy are but they're not there for long.
Where?
And Mommy Suzy, they bought her, you know. It's just that from Oyibo, where this one are not there. They are not even living together. That's one thing I don't understand why Mommy Suzy is still covering up and you know if you come and tell them say, "Iro Bobo, Mama Bone, Iro." Mommy Suzy will air bog and leave your back. When I see that the thoughts are young or water, if I have me, I'm big when I war.
Mala de Yamatao.
When I need time, when I go water. Ebo, here a boy, you know. Not by the bedroom or a Katie Ogbo with a dog. And a Katie, where over, we were now both behind your one. As a better way for the way in a meal or so, I read the one shame of this place, you know. I don't know what Mommy Suzy is trying to cover, or maybe she use until they do this thing. She don't want to let anybody know. But I want to tell you guys now that Mommy Suzy is no longer with a white man for a very long time. They don't even live together.
Really?
But they're still best of friends.
Really? And we don't know the one who will do for his side.
That is why she has courage to tell the white man they don't live together anymore. My mind don't see a come on me, call your joy, come on me, come on me, a red boy. You understand? They are hope is fine. My mind don't see a mess, still there. Now ye, okay, they know that he is from Canada. No, where are they with a boy? But you tell me, he has your where you are. He has on the don't get on our Suzy.
Correct.
Also,
okay. On area na metawo, area na meji. Because adulterous must stop. We know they social media now when they control those cyber space. We know if they those cyber space, adulterous going to take place. Mighty Guayo. So if Yenivie is not telling Suzy say, wale boyiro. We are going to claim if you are a single woman, tell the whole world you are a single. Don't claim marriage. Don't claim that you are married. A married is married. Single is single. So if you are a single, let people know you are a single. Don't be pretending you are married. Now they hear what they talk. So don't be pretending you are married. If you are not married, tell the world you are not married. Hello, una not they hear me. Hey, Baba, una listening. You get where would they go? Oh yeah, continue.
Come on me. Call your joy. Come on me. Come on me, red boy.
Thumbs up this video. When I give her love and like,
walao. The man you don't see and is still there. Now ye. Okay, we know that is from Canada. No, where are they with my boy? Where you tell me? He has your where you are. He has on the don't we have on Mommy Suzy.
Correct.
Also, but what I give us for how many years Mommy Suzy? Who can't gather yet? And you know what we are here water. And here you know boy here with telling here. I know how for.
Okay.
I can't go in he done him. No, here we go away. You are walking on there, but what you see of your talk, walk there, like what any woman. Anyway, can you just put the boy you are?
If you who are here at table never ya. Where to bo accuse Suzy now way. Suzy is not married and is telling the whole world that she's married. So who are you supposed to accuse? Is it the people that is analyzing it? Larry, I know what I'm saying, you know. Is it the people that is analyzing it where it's here bona? Or is Suzy no la down when you feel where you are? Oh, who I feel where you are? I Georgie. I be the man that saga Suzy no. Now because I'm not saga Suzy. See, when they do well, before you they insult anybody when they talk for the matter, you stay where, you sit down where. Did they hear me? You sit down where. Because Suzy claims she's a Benin woman. And you knew that you are a Benin woman. A Benin woman don't supposed to rear in a water. Any Benin woman that is in a water not supposed to rear. If you rear, and you come out and confess, Now you are not telling that you are even accusing Suzy that we're narrow word. We are good to here, but you are not insulting. See, say where. Because one equal so one more social media here. And what am I clear? Una will be women. We suppose una should be motivational speaker. Una will not clear again. And what am I clear? They don't know to believe again. My yagua, every matter, here what by my yahin. You have to stay where? What are they listening?
No, here we go. You are going to go. You choose to go. Anyway, cannot just put a boy you are. The only thing we are taking from Suzy. When Suzy, every first man war. Every first man war. Yeah, when we were done to say on Suzy. When we were red level say. When we were fear say. We are dead of the wrong way. Oh, Yanni don't want to come away. When they come up, Yanni now they come and keep it in the Kawaki there. Mama, you are turning.
Oui.
Oh, we went bien on what we are keeping.
Oui. If but a group one, a GPC group one, a war wama classy. Wagui, a GPC, we are a lily juwa. Ya said, boo, when I don't get lily juwe. The lily juwe, you talk. I'm a classy. Now, the day of some 50, close to 50 years, or Yakman Echo. Now, a Monica Ladja no there, or that topic of it, where 51 years is pregnant. Teen director Yagwe Suzy Guana. Am I? Echo Peter Ladja no there, or where a 51 years old woman is pregnant. Am I not me 51 years old woman? Now, Jane Agbe Monica Agbe, all that topic of it. It's trying to brainwash all the orphans. This is what they are doing in those cyberspace. Maladia don't go matter that trust in all Ladiana. All Ladia go from a 51 years old is pregnant. A 51 years old is pregnant. If you not gonna look the lineage of Ivenivi. Is it what a real woman supposed to live in a real life? In a real life, when Ivenivi when you live a way of it, nana a mere way. The baby father, all he benefit or more. If you need one winner, he ain't what you are. If you need a work back, we are going to back work back. If you need one solid, he ain't one winner. Oh boy, he was strong. All your hand are strong. If you need to shake you, your blessing and man shake you. God is sununai. Check if you need your hand, your blessing and man shake you. Okay, enjoy benefit of single father. If what enjoy, what on it, what changing here? GPC gang, everyone there. GPC in the village, any village you are here to, eswitine. You people are not teaching these women something. One man you say, and one man, why stand on it? Why stand on it? Why man in Dane? Why una be like fake pastors? Una be like fake pastors. If una come out again, insult fake pastors, I don't go fear people to now. Because the same thing with fake pastors they do, none of they do. Fake pastor will preach to you today. They will not abide to the preaching. They will do another thing inside. This is what you guys are doing. Fake pastors. Very fake. What do you think? Una be like fake pastors. Una still come and they say pastors are fake. Una they believe like fake pastors. See one woman wait talk to Mommy Suzy yesterday. I see what that woman talk. I was ashamed. Or even the woman where talk. Now Mommy Suzy fans. I will plan for them when I see. And they be like fake pastors. And why stand by it? Why stand by it? Nonsense.
Why? Oh, Yanni don't want to come away. When they come up, Yanni now they come and keep it in the Kawaki there. Mama, you are turning. Oh, we went here now. What do we are keep that call? No one is just never want to lie, Vicky. Even when talking about that, the boyfriend will leave Vicky. No, the citizens don't even know get this time they live. ye ba for ya kone te first na tabe no e kwa no na wa ma una fia e but you get no ya wo na ya kone kwa mama e ba wi ate e bia na webu domo no ade e ba wi ade te do ye gbo me ya bi o me wa dobo re webu mo e gbo me me dey rat we say na me love you gbo me no chiu
if ekia no rien abieyo of ekia no rien abieyo ekia na 2 years plus ya nwe we here no a owe 2 years plus ya nwe ekia ni aga amuele ni ma bege oye sakbo be na amuele se aga amuele na bege 2 years plus Suzy we ya nwe ekia na but oye sakbo eremiwe owe baba why is you owe tin block you there eremi we block you there now owe kiani ye release ajena eremi we na igwana ekiana nye iwe gbe release no anybody now anybody no say kene kiani je always a problem Remi say is a problem. This is the area we are now. That Remi say that bola belong to her forever. Or when nobody, no woman should come to that, to near that bola again. It's problem everywhere. Problem everywhere. Mona share the video. Share the video and thumbs up this video. Problem everywhere. Remi say can never release the bola anymore. Mona they listen.
And this idiot Rufus, what they call the small boy. Rufus is 55 years old. Rufus, he died in September. September either 21 or so. Maybe Rufus' birthday. Now September, maybe birthday. He's 55 years old. And July Rufus, you don't know who. Make I tell you Rufus story. Wachota. And Rufus, you don't know who. Oh, damn it, babe. Money, I was sincere, but I was sincere that I don't have Rufus. Me show one me the act one babe. Go on again now. Me is good way.
Why be say this chief for media ya wa atie boneni ya social media? Why be like that? Chief for media also know every time your name ya wa atie bonu we o chief. It is the baffle me ya wa atie boneni chief for media now. I don't know what is really going on. And this chief for media any page, any small thing, though they saw this chief. I don't really know what is going on. What are the listing?
Money, I was sincere, but I was sincere that I don't have Rufus. Me show one me the act one babe. Go on again now. Me is a good way. Omede, what a nice your well at Omede. Omede, what a nice your well at ya. A chief in a man, but I will. A chief in also back again me. A chief in all who are. I nice your well at Omede. Omede, why I book me and why I'm going for 1 minute is time.
Omedo mwene. Omedo mwene. Na people, our mod Omedo mwe Rufus in our big sister mommy Suzy. Keep Omede. What? Every date wa. Uwete we pass. A pass uwete u. Iya Joyce is there. Amati we. Chief Omede. Mommy Suzy was Salekia. Also, Ogazi mama. Amati she for me there. Yari sakbo na. Wari teach for me there. Unwe for me that ubuwa. Unwe for me that ubuwa. Uno mene ke chief ke. E chief mi te chief wa. O me va de chief na we pass. Allegedly, because he rewa. Allegedly. Okay, the chief I na. E chief here go ya we the chokozava. E chief yeti we chokozava woge ne. E chief woge ne. Ivie ame wana go etie bona. Ame wana go etie bona. O hane. Asa wo hane no. the respect in it. The respect no have. The respect no have vie. And wagi unagima. Why the respect no have? Oh yeah, what are the listing?
The way I book me, the way I want for the woman is coming. Who are we for? No, I get up. What's the Eremi, we are telling who I didn't know who I told you what the full of my Suzy will be around the gas. You fool yourself. Who are four where I are. Never. Can you hear the shy butter? I go, buddy. I go in over and go and sing it. I was singing the camp also, but I don't know what the weather. No, who are go. Now go back and see us. I force. Why don't tell you I'm going to need for
thumbs up the video, please.
I mean, the last month in the last week. Maybe last month and the last 2 months in the new way. Can't you ever first in the last week? You were not there. You were not there. The last week. No, what ever first is yet more than here. I go one if when I buy children. When look here, my people, you know many women in first year billion. The Berlin. For. So let me introduce Rufus to you. This is Rufus. We down one over me.
It didn't. If a mommy way I enjoy Kadama down. No, ya kia la down when you quit out with Kia, a bawa down. Anyone, yeah, ye do. If you do what ya. The best way get bola, our sister, what they call me. Come and say, now, this bowler, I don't want anybody reach there again. Anybody will reach there, he go use class cut leg. Or he go give him a straight bullet. If you know this is, if you not come and come do video, say, Mommy Suzy, Ekenujema, Bavare. If you, when my lad don't tell me, Mommy Suzy, where this place you are going is going to call catastrophe. It's going to call calamity. Osie danger ito what ye kidnapping moto. Uwe atamewe Mommy Suzy, you are already in the kidnapper moto. Reverse your back. You are in a kidnapper moto. We matter me Suzy worry kidnapper moto. Eba we do atame. We ya sakbo ne. On a defense in wa on me malaki. Ave defense in wa do awuna. De mi ya isane. Wa do form a defense. On a encore des fonds defense minister. Mais ya sakbo ne. E ke no mana sakbo. O matie sister la wan sister fe ko relax you wa be no relax na. Mais sister relax na. O mata me sister we sister relax so. So if you leave you we wine na ya, we mata me sister the sister relax. Now you are not telling sister na ve ya sakbo ne she ma disgrace ve ya ne e ko bete we gbe mara yen against evion e ko bete o tarire e ko bete ladian always 51 years old is pregnant on a story man we gbe ko bete wari ma no ma enigbe social media e ko bete ladian o ma gwan yen mata always 51 years old woman is pregnant on la topic of it amen no ya ha God is looking at you people. When they listen to the defense minister. When they call her defense minister. Defense minister. Any $100. Oh, Iriane, why do I form a defense? Oh, Iriane, why do I form a defense? You knew all these things. You did call my beautiful sister where Mommy Suzy, please. You are already in the kidnapper moto. Reverse yourself. You didn't talk. After our Akpaneko Sigbavane, about we had to go. Akpaneko Sigbavane, about we had to go. My sister, that's more. Not any vessel.
No, what happened? Ever first is yet more here. When I buy children, when look here, my people, you know many women in first year billion. The Berlin for. So let me introduce Rufus to you. This is Rufus. Look down, I don't know about me. Rufus, the most useless man in Europe. Oh, 1 year. Also, on a dame where it's Tamina Yabi. Una way they toss a doctor, a year or the one. Oh, me don't quit your stomach, or quit your Mama Suzy. We talk to that. Me show what true Mama Suzy. Got doctor, or ya a roof of Dana. Because me sure got doctor can hear a rumor of a roof of without no roof of sea. Yeah, the story of Fossil. My people don't know what happened. When I say this Rufus, he was living in Berlin. He was living in Berlin. Now they can't tell me, even the Berlin don't even know where his boyfriend they stay. And he got there last month. Remember, they were very last week. He was here very last month.
Go do your thing.
So the tip is saying,
leave and go do your thing.
If they live for Berlin, as they live for Berlin, Rufus, when I hear you they talk say, they carry here and wife, they get quarrel. Now they can't carry the matter, go give Mommy Suzy. Now Mommy Suzy they enter on a lie. Rufus was married to a German woman for Berlin. The German woman born 2 children for her, a boy and a girl, Williams and Selena. Williams should be 25 years now, while Selena should be 22. What happened? The Oyibo, when Rufus married, when born 2 children for her, so Williams and Selena. This Oyibo can't get brain tumor. Now that we already had the removing them. And this Oyibo get brain tumor, they can't do the brain tumor, but they can't do operation for do father shaft. Now they put on the top say, they can't keep it, don't give their paternity. Once a man has a father shaft, a man can also say, okay, let me take the children. You understand? So what happened? Rufus, now after the woman now, could not come where she called it. Go, one Nigerian man. Now she would they call him. Now he called him Rufus, son. He called both 2 children. So the woman called it. Rufus here, one.
So we want a Rufus is 7 years. We want a Rufus is 7 years. You don't know Rufus is like this. We want history like a Rufus. We matter me Rufus. We matter me. Sister, the not like mote kidnapper where giving us no. One of the year matter. Before we play the real audio.
Oh, you might call the colo after I don't do that operation for the tumor. You might call the colo. So you first call the take care of the children. My people. You first say one no. And no. Oh, that no people. You first say one no we are. So
sister where Mommy Suzy no danyo. Or danyo. When the Suzy gallant say or danyo you end up with. Obiano we are. You end up with. Hey, Saga King Star. I remember spiritual. You wake big baby, those are space now. You wake big baby, okay. You boss to do. You wake big baby. Why am I kind of prince? No more can or regret, okay, I maybe the prince. Why, yeah, what many yata? Una go the chopper. Who am I can you regret till you bah. You will not snap person hit you. For real. I maybe the prince, aka the spiritual. Rebecca. Why did you do those sabbath space in the Imabo? Have you one read those sabbath space? You may have your like woto. Why did you do those sabbath space in the Imabo? Marco trade those sabbath space now. Today is our president at the Mafia and a birthday already. In my picture, Elijah. Today is the Murphy's birthday. For real. Why did you do those sabbath space in the Imabo? For real. Why do you and those are bad space now. None of this spoiler for one. Our war. Why do you my boy? Egba, my quit. On a so. When I celebrate today na a birthday. So social media president. Social media president. When I post celebrate today, na birthday. And I birthday ore baba we bakpo. Inoma rakaweba. Otun deputy governor, inore deputy governor also wabo. In American government also wabo. In idan ore government egisu wabo. Inoro orin asu wabo. You cannot come in now, please. The number one fit call. May I put the number one take call. If you want to call, now may I put the number where you fit call. May I put on. They hear me? Anybody that want to call now, may I put the number? This number, you know, feel this number come. Where may I put the number where you fit call? Okay. Number will enter your stand. Yeah, you don't enter. Pin now. Yeah, I don't pin now. This number why I pin now. I use this one to call for WhatsApp. Okay, for those of you that want to call, you can use that number to call on WhatsApp. So today, please, let me write happy birthday to social media president. I beg. Social media president. We're going to be happy birthday, and I birthday, okay? In no man, no maralaywa. I began Sabwa, no Kukunia. Agbona, Yaweba no Mafu, we are having a thing, I say. So, it's the social media president. So, if you do, want to help me celebrate her. Please, want to celebrate her social media president. Today, na day, do shakara. Now they hear me so. That's for social media president. So before we play the video again, more quick play one video where they take advice Mommy Suzy. When I see this, when I quick see this video, where person take advice Mommy Suzy. When I listen to her. Oh yeah, when I listen.
What time, man? Eh?
When I list you,
but now we gonna have a here. What time, man? Eh? As a motivational speaker, we follow your lead, mama. That's it, man. We follow your leads. Eh? So
this one where they talk so. Now Mommy Suzy and the Kobete fans. Now they talk so. Why they play a voice so. Mona listen carefully. As soon as they wish social media president happy birthday, Mona they listen carefully. Mona me share the video. God bless you now.
But now we gonna have a here. What time, man? Eh? As a motivational speaker, we follow your lead, mama. Betty, man. We follow your leads. Eh? So all those things where you preach about other people, where they are with you really need it this time around more than anything. You need it. Well, this time at time, no, if there be, you gonna like say we dey encourage something like this, something when we dey condemn. You dey guess so there is no way. Mama, I'm not a man when I US. I'm not a man when I nothing when you want to cover anything that has to do with adultery. You don't feel cover US, mama. Let us always say you still come and talk your mind and you still apologize to people or a man because it takes the brave. I don't pray me and see myself for these kind of circumstances. Because I don't know how I want to face the problem. Because how my mind will be. You get so but all the same, please, you all should learn. I learn bang walaho. And as for the money, mama, forget about the money. Forget about it. Because a social media now, even where to do whether they where I get here, I see. So when I dey watch your live stream, they say, why are you going me? Why are you going me? And I come they say, mama, they forget something. If they forget something for this social media, when you know say it no go give you. So for me, forget about the matter. I want you don't know, say the things, your relationship with him will turn out this way. My will turn out this way. They too talk. Because the reason why, okay,
Monica fans will talk, Ekobete fans.
Your Ibo, Ekia, Ehuna, and Mama, I can't wait till Joa, we are wait, all the same is so fun. You get belly for one, you remove belly 2 times, all those one, Mama, truth. Me way the year, the penny. Not because, like I use the feel somehow. You dey get so, I dey feel for you, and I also dey feel another part. We say, Mama, no, forgo this length with this kind of person. Getting it? No, even if your Igbo agree, you don't expect social media people to agree. But social media people, they believe you are with Igbo, now marry. You are. You know how you take preach for us, say, Igbo Wanekia, Wayeke, that you are. Oh, what shock out, yeah? Many major, what shock me? There's also no radio. When my follows away, when my follows away, what to say? Go your boss like this as the boss so. Then no for me, no explain again, because the more you dey explain, the more you dey complicate things for yourself. You dey guess so, Mama, this one you have big time, you have, but it.
Precious Meg say when she was crying and begging for Ikea, the audio deal. Was one ready say ya na beg eh. We ma beg Ikea. Wetin you want Ikea ni? Yak be ya ban. She Mommy Suzy released audio yesterday. Or released audio near ya gossip. He say even you Precious Meg the gossip you well. We are releasing ya. We to my release of what? You not can release of money. If you say many audio day, I will play all of the yours. I'm gonna share the video. So this one why they play. So now Monica fans will give Mommy Suzy yesterday. He said don't advise her. One of the listing.
Don't happen. You don't make they complicate things for yourself. You dey guess so, Mama, this one you have big time, you have, but it don't happen. You don't my person, yes, not true. But just let the matter. Any presenter we want to talk about her. You don't feel them make them not talk about her, Mama. When they talk about their own, so you know, hold them or you call the replies. They don't need for you to reply. Yeah, where the money the Kenya Esther, they don't call remember Esther.
Esther the drink ice cream since yesterday. You never hear her. Esther the drink ice cream. We'll pick this one. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, but now I contribute more.
I greet you.
Sorry. Good morning. Can I mommy you still there? 11:24. See, okay, Nizedo, any Venivera Taba, or Tebone, nowhere, whatever. Oh, no, maybe soon, but you know, you feel where you are. You understand?
Yeah.
You know, I can't be the bad day, we marry. You understand? Even all time, away, Eboleliariwa. Oya danyo negbe we ya ire video re iwa re video re all the time we ya fefe nota in ya even iye gore ogere lati anwe in fact Victoria ya we ogele gbe iye go Zanzan na wo ma here at all. Okay, what wuro wodo what wu fie where you are what pa take nu ye e mo ro pa ma no water what to we palemi ya then why you expecting me ma gwa yo na boboyo. When you not saying anything now was sorry to use this word. One you are in Europe in Udoni. What was feel where even your bar agbona wa end. Bari who bari who na. Ye no more journey. Ye wa agbona ye carry na me wo ekia o the ultimate. Man, it's so disgusting. Because when I remember now, me the idea, equal no remember though. Sorry to use the word. Equal less.
Mudane, what you tell who no we are married.
I'm more tired, but if you pray, I need your directing about that. Don't even soon.
But anyway, easy water that we are married. We are good decide of you where. Oh, you were there, no egg be. Is it? Oh, we are telling me where if you do ya or one you now.
Okay,
because if you are good Ladiana, I'm trying to tell the whole world where it's not all the women that are doing this kind of things. But you are not telling me now where oh you were working no matter yet though you are the marketing Benin. That is why we are here. That is why we are here.
No Ladiano go down your group, APC, PDP, support any. Itawe we know we Maya, Itawe we know man, Itawe Bomaria, Itawe Ebo no Ebo ma wa. Oh boy ma wa Ebo ma wa. Oh ba. No say 53 because I went 53 years. They go to 52 years. You know no ya age of it. Banya ye been a kia. I tell me forget where the boy is no money for anybody or mom necessarily me with a boy and you know with a man or a guy no nine. Okay, if we are said that the other woman of it been a year, then a kia and bassing me in a kiana. If we bad granny, if we are with bomb to this to the young with Kobe.
The other woman, the other woman will come marriage. I've been at you, Nana.
Marriage, well, having left 5 years left. Say, only coming with 21 years never what or marry go, who have a queer for river. It's so shameful. Every time I am home, Europe,
okay. But the advice we're giving you now.
Me a give where amuya, me a year away you be. What by a that, but maybe I will wear. Here, jeans, a short skirt. Oh, what by a human what don't know, we be never what door, a buying where need no way. You're not taking, you're not man a quick buffer. Okay, they don't know yak man a conning now. I know what table, running me as Zimio, we are not Bufuana. I be at away, we are not Europe and I not bear. The 50-something years, the hour boson, is that not disgusting? Do my menopause only me where no selling back here? All the time, when I will say, a boy, no, I want love your kid, different people very on it. You hear tell me, what factor tears in a way, but Suzy, I'm in to I just tired. My sister, Uberian Wetana, Suzy, that is very smart. When you are from many young social media, me way, ya beg she took by ya. But when none of we don't away. The boy, you know, any year, when not saying been a ballot, and now the boy don't pay. Okay. Oh, saying it been a ballot, I'm with the car.
My sister, where the boy, hello, I'm not hearing you, hello, I'm not hearing you. Where the boy, where the boy?
He went or where the guy where she trono about pretending where you might no lele since 2023 or the guy she trono just where we not that way or you don't get where the guy play piano you tell what keeping here permanent or you don't get where or maggie see your ball here permanent or we not kind of then I come give me my money you go yeah, about what having a quacker can just to take cover up the shame. A heartbreak or yeah, or you can't tell why I'm heartbreaking. I won't buy the
okay.
The heartbreak.
Okay, the man don't pay now.
The man don't pay. Yeah, but I wear another time. The guy don't pay. Yeah, guy with the guy. I'm in corner here. You then anyway see your boy any out there. If not, yes, your mama would.
That means Remy work better. That means Remy work better.
Well, I mean, that was the shall only beg anyway, side of a carbon vein, economic vessel, only have it.
I'm not that way, Remy vessel, and I don't get any.
And another thing too, only they controlling. Well, they are not wishing to every time I inconvenience every phone. Where you did? Who they your DP? Who call you for there? Which person voice I hear for background? Do you like it, baby? Video? Because normally the demos of course not that jealous.
On avait beneve webo. Avec ben we chez you like it control.
It man, I actually make 25 years ago. You understand?
Et we make 25 years ike kan we gbe.
Yes.
Il y a donné webo. Wa yo me webo. Wa wo me pe webo.
He is 22 years we married. But from by today, my mom, we are living happy. Look, but so said 2-3 months ago, one Nigeria wake here.
The matter. Mujane, wa ro 3 months wa wake here.
Yeah, because about men in my care, we might be the year in our tea, a mom here. There are so many things not involved.
My sister, ZDAJ short skirt or small Monica. I got from me where here in the time where
what I'm trying to say,
umana je shosho nika beso waru modu aje rapa we ni ya ege meni ya go ye ni ta oga de reso bo ya collect e bo we
forget it where left in my live. We are decent family. I'm just trying to say we are like so why do you we free come
no, I don't have free come say mostly what in address say it am we na ya gbe man pe aye ogwo na je mi no say see ekia we bege na ekia don yege why ekia man win for 2 months. Listen, my sister, ekia man win for 2 months. O ma bege no buy. My sister, igmetama we matana. Ekia man don for 2 months. Uwege or no bege joy. I'm telling you. Uwege no bege joy. Ekia wa win na yeze.
After some time, go that is what we.
Oh, except for that be. Hello, you are not hearing me. Except say that woman you born. If the woman you born, if you give her 3, 4, 5 months, make her relax, gather herself. Or if be no so aja kafa ne, jenya kafa. Wa kan ye wo wa, or jenya gan no we gbe. E kia bu pe. Hello, they are not hearing me.
Europe is what you know,
we are they continue with They continue with
example, yeah.
They continue with whatever Europe, which country you did?
Which country?
Yeah.
The UK.
But the UK, Europe, you know now.
Example, yeah, give away or even so why could we share self who are my those things and then I well ugly worry. That is it. When the is center around the Kiabu,
my sister, have you put on where now again? A carrying just that thing position it being say, oh, why base or why got 50 years in never webo, mostly when you stay away boo. We can't do a don. We can't walk back by again. We not go bearo, we not go bearo, say that we don't say. Imetamu we na because why we go biaro we bego bia ne dedegbe mostly ni bego bia se oni mwe kia no wu ne esoru wa ekia ne mu yo wa ri na se eri don se ani have la ya bege kia ne kwa we trouser e apiki ya don uma san di tama we makola so all these women don't pay never webo yin gare 49 50 ne apiko so apagbe wo wa ugbe so yen wa ro wa apiko wa gbagbe. We ain't here.
Now, wow. Okay,
Monica, te ta wonya do already do. E de gbe ya so Monica o. Monica akpi ko me gbagbe. E ko bete akpi ko me gbagbe. Monica ya yo da. Ye so my Monica. E Monica na ki na GPC elo ni go we my sister the listen. They are not hearing me. Ina GPC ni Monica ki. Wo gu ki akpike dede mi amugbe ni lele kin ave dede dan ni very bu ave dede dan uma sa we are say platform Monica ave dede ni hioma vema akpiko amugbe e ma ni na tie Monica re ave dede na very dede baba ime nya imo pe na mu ni ya o ki no sunu my sister wa ya de dido for my sister We Monica do ta we ni kwa alwe dido. E kon ya kole bungbe. Ya agbewa. Ya agbewa. Ye ni tama we my sister.
I'm not commenting anywhere. I believe that because of the Ashawo work when they first do na maker. Oh, if we ever need Ashawo say, "In suppose then they can't by now. Suppose they be one year."
Tewata.
Omudianego anytime tamawe okonoro wodo una biele ne una bi ahia especially wa age ne almost where you have change ne regbe either ure perimenopause or like the actual menopause in it depends e libido we odo come down eyi high very o benu ga ajere no nare yo odo alago to
When ye Kevi, one of mama Kevi no marry Franco Moswo.
Yeah.
Akbikoni is a ton wowa. Akbikore or is a don. What ya tawe a muzzle. I'm crushing on you. It did down. It did down 56 years. It did that. Ye Kevi. Oh, no, it can only so la way a muzzle. Yawula lue. I'm crushing on you. And when no.
When you try the one you take a point in any making a drop, eh? There's gele where Suzy ro what do you bring hero? Only right to a cook balaru, but no a question can go once in a while, once thing. Boy, you need the day do are jealous of where you're jealous, offended boy or jealous of when a young girl. And when I work in where you say, in another few years, 60 years birthday, celebrate. I mean, if you
They call on that, we don't make careful. They call on that, make careful.
Oh, what I know now. I know, 18, 19, 20, I said 20 something or early 30s. Say when the libido were high, well, I age, very okay. Oh, calm down. Usaka wa logia usaka me. Iya wa saka. Then Suzy gele gbo wa. O be right no eko ya amaru pa na obi alolo once in a while. Once thing. Ege ya. Understand? But don't be amebo. Ona be wo kene ne bo kan ye ni. Dem be ru de be. Ona yege yibani. Then eko ya gwale we no ya do we every public disgrace now understand because here where if I so low we just because we maybe a bear my bar and all those things or na ye hangi or maybe ru de hu or my no ya time when you bring it all even if no man ya do
Mama Precious Meg we may talk man bring you in. Precious Meg take call.
Look, I only hear of it because the woman was here, no. Anyway, what I'm trying to say, when you are tuning down, quite doctrina or bugbe, near you are tuning down.
Where's see?
No problem.
Okay, where's see? Me Precious go on.
4, 9.
That's Mama International. What? Ça I greet you. We know the Suzy don't release the record, release me ya. I put my watch.
That make me here because when you have to make my live video don't block me. My dear brother, when make 36 minutes me I go with live video with they can't explain it like my mama we had audio. First and foremost, say caller not here bounce. I don't buy a by we caller we say no they roof force it don't pay any nice okay that. You know me I'm working you know how where audio raw. We understand. So when no I complain where the roof force are we or me audio raw. When no we will force what they will force my send day or joy clear conjugate cat I note. We understand it and body key now because Mrs. Remy will force me on dollar one day. We understand it, Mrs. Remy will force sorry on dollar one day. So when you go here with the other he will have Papa one gossip make some way with my mirror where a matter now. So that can me where again where whoever they free with you because if my boy will get be machine. So when me or seven no maybe no seven atomic ye be nimiana to move on se va pas laisser non, mais je suis pas gouverner qui. Madame Suzy appelé Suzy qui a des adulterous ou pas ma wawe encore me what gossip very que ma wawe she remain my friend and my sister forever so one time with my vow understand ba where will they force your fuck you dump you there ba we can do aga where we are taking ni we ama ni we girl se mo pa ka ti ni we ma wawe ge ni we se ma ge we no do so when you in our two here, Nania, a big can, then make away, Branania, Remy, Mrs. Remy Rufus, I come out here, then ya, no, ya land there, a Gemini, do I call Bovikia, come away, in life. Worry me, a video over to really always stay there, go and have a billion. And she's going to state further notice. So forget that. Think about know the way tell me got play, even that play over your heart because you're being wise. Remy is a very wise woman because your boy so only to go at only know what happened. The boy was in the other phone listening to the conversation. They now we Rufus in Pamaro. Anytime you don't pay no Jenny. Audio Rufus or the audio because the Rufus made the other phone that way because in our Rufus more one but Remina have Jekia where Rufus more because one more one and young way but we didn't make it. I will carry. And I don't know where or Mona in Yankman, never force it out come away or where we can be near. Oh, Yaro.
We say they sorry ni me akbe na beg ya wa o no se ba mi ala topic of e ala topic of e be ri
Please, the question about no say Erita or Guana na we go with love
Erita Guana na me gwa de ne because e no say ni ku egwa me tell you one thing me mommy Suzy is not my enemy uma say na wa beg Erita bana Suzy e enemy oge o no he ya agbe uma say na so
some of the audios he knows about these things. So about the just the world. The one don't get the you want don't trust woman now you not via kia. Precious make your cat so being away. Precious make your very long year. Bama more most of my right, and then you can use and dump. They now all way birthday dog shame on you. You go home, you can't he can be daughter again. He's not going to be home with Sylvia here with the daughter with because she's no longer your daughter. I don't know how we share with you. I'm going to be going with Sylvia daughter. Eh? WhatsApp do aka ba wo du kwegwa e ga no aka ma we no ku we yi for so miamia o je ki miamia ma wo we no miamia o de no fie ye
no de Precious Meg o we yen wa agbo mi awe wo ni san we ta me matter dey understand because of what emphasize you with the go we godot I know when the end of my work, Belosa. He was agree. You understand? No, I guess to say, I use a dopey. My own web got daughter. I went every 40. We don't have share to say, I went every 40. Why can I when this already? You're going to tell me what my roof was. A dog cry, body bunny, and that. Oh, honey, I don't wow, one is anywhere. Immonia, you beg if you may have your shade for no wrong, and I will have your shake me. This father wrong when not. No, national disgrace, shame and disgrace. Now, we have your Westimere. Oh, we may only able, we are what is so I'm not sure what's the mayor, we have your get my dear, because the Lorena my day, I don't trust woman. Lorena my shame on you, Suzy.
I got the mama of here, use and dog. Oh, when I am better got daughter, shame on you, whether the severe that way. Confirmation, I don't know Betty. Only we are can Nigeria, we have I take the Betty. Shame on you. That another better we are, but I change the Betty. Lekwemu. Useless woman. Your dollar why is there go with be like depression with be therapy. Oh, when no therapy ye can mania. Oh, when no depression we can mania. Shame on you, Suzy. Shame. Rita say, when you do have priest. What beg? They don't practice what they preach. Useless woman. They say. Lekwemu no Babeki. We are not colleagues. What they got that I'm not see. How can you a role model? A book that to take you serious. Maybe I'll try you hotel room. We better got that. To say, when you want to social media, how is that? When you want to social media, better if you are well, better if you are confirmed. Not better if you are confirmed. Who better you change a bed in the Kwemu. Let me Kwemu. The way you were saying, useless woman. On what typewriter? That time I not say. Depression, you not like depression with the canumania. No neck. Carry a kala one we were so here. No neck carry a kala one. No Kwemu. I got no 7 years of my cow. Getting a back away, but you went to Tabare. What? I don't know about well. Hey, I'm out with my home where to get me. When I come and no record with. When they became record with.
Eremi Guerrera.
When they became record with.
Mama, Eremi Guerrera. We interview Remi, you are not hearing me.
Rami, why I think a report. Well, can not you.
We're not going, you only interview here. Remi, sister Remi, you are not hearing me.
What was the priest?
Sister Remi. Mujane, sister Remi. Sister. Mujane, where Mudia, Suzy, I know you will talk. Where Mudia, see, Muna give you me one money. No, other for when you want to attack him no boom, mother for a defense. Woman, be defense in my sister. Okay, go be defense in
when Mrs. Remy Rufus is a full married woman right now. And then you can't I know that Suzy my son of your book you have a Rufus or your might be or look at for Rufus. Or I know anyone can now or you so when you want so here also who now my girlfriend gets the Kia one day. Or maybe here when I get social that we give up a war. Yeah, here. Oh, we share. I will take care of we care with dog with video that were busted. Yeah, but only get video. But if you are so we can't show why I show like live video. No beg when you are your guy to get down, you can see it.
Remi, wa mo ne phone Remi no be gun akere. Tama wa we no gbi. Okay, that phone when they TV side chicken dey na he yak pa we record nu wa we.
Oh, where worry? Rita Shakbe record Remi, worry.
Rita.
Just imagine.
They say, they know abortion we hold it.
Where Rufus my marriage with common marriage with Remy. Our truth is that, and Remy ever tanwa.
Remy got married on the 18th of March. Mama needs the Maya prove anything to Suzy. She's a side chicken. She doesn't deserve to know anything. When I beg Bewa.
Because our Norway European marriage on your door. Our Norway European marriage on your door. Anybody know go there with European marriage in there? Now a girl's husband. Nobody will follow a dragon. If you follow a dragon, they'll put you for prison.
Okay. Remy is the passport holder. So on my way marriage, you know, and Rufus will be okay. So say we cut marriage to legalize their relationship. So Suzy can market.
Yeah. Suzy, precious mega ready on the one side. Do yeah, Suzy, precious mega remi. Here ware kokpare na guana. Ezo na hin problem everywhere. That means Ekia na wa me Suzy for life. Ewe gbese wa.
Forever, Rufus is gone forever. Forever. Well, gay, let me not tell you. Oh, Michelle, no one bad. No, you've got to regay. Gay, Rufus, I want to money, and you moon now.
Oh, this one. Yeah, what is I walk better now? Oh, yeah, we boo. Only Sawari. Only Sawari. Why, I try. Only Sawari. Yeah, what is so quite walk better? We boo, Baba. What is setting there? Yeah, why? Salu, we could have Maria. Oh, yeah, fairly read the prison here. They don't change the priest brain. Imagine. You have to read the prison with you. Eh? What better than not to do your door? I fear with you. I want to say what it is. Now, what's your butter? Now, what's your butter? Now, what's your butter? So, very soon, Remy, Oragwe, Rufus Hero.
Side chick, use and down. Brother Rufus, Daddy Rufus, where is the throne? I get to that where you have no choice. You have no choice. We like her like that. Okay, my the marriage, they fall in love. So far, I fall in love with where? Oh, that's the way I fall in love with Remy. So we like her like that. We were great Shentro, madam. When we like Shentro.
I mean,
Shentro is made for us.
Why are Shentro? Why are we with Shentro now?
Because
Shentro men are big meat to some women.
Yes, nah, because when Shentro to gallant, when they Rufus is there, never. I cannot complain when Rufus are we not fear die, or fear be we all the things they insightful. What were we die? They like the veggie, the Adulterou. Our market. Use and dump. Okay, Daddy Rufus. This one sweet me. Oh.
Why we na ye do? Iye do why we na na. O wa be sakpo. O je mi ligi. O je mi ligi. O bejo ligi. E frasa ni je na.
Who now you don't say that shit true.
I say all those central bola the sweet well.
It's too sweet. That's for women where sabi. Pancake. Where me can like the pancake?
Ave central agbe e pancake kia.
The pancake off you one. The Chris. What's up again? Can cookies that do low. Can I walk where the better got that? Wow, I was settled down here, kitchen true. Who we are with Kada. Fancy just like ever. It's all just that.
I get just make pepper on my head, so no. I get precious make pepper on my head, so no. Oh wait, can I make pancake? Bola with the rubber. In no true TV, they don't rub your bola pancake one day. Call Europe, make us see. In no true TV, call Europe, make us see. The way they say they rub pancake for bola. If your bola they walk where, they go rub pancake put.
That was you get pancake, you get bola, you get perfume, you have a special perfume.
In the era, you say money when you take the bad perfume, when you they spray for bola, then they give you separately. In no true TV, you are not hearing me. Love Abu, I see you.
I carry with me. I'm here careful first. We don't fall like that. Now our prick. Now we get the prick. Now our prick.
Bola with the rope packet food. Hello boy, we bola every sunu. If you're not there abroad, you dey miss. If you're not there abroad, you are missing. Hello, you're not there hear me.
When my son of your body, even I go a birthday Siviani, another way will tell them. Punto finito. Otila, Evan nonsense.
Okay, let's see. Okay. Yeah, I record okay. So, my people, now Precious Meg, now talk finish so. All of you know our Precious Meg. You're talking now. So now let's play our mommy Suzy. The record we play yesterday about she and our sister whether they call me. So for those of you who never understand this matter, that very big matter. Oh, if you never follow the prince, better follow because this matter. I must see the ending. And the prince, it will matter. Yeah, I must see me head okay. So right now, yesterday, I got the feel say maybe Suzy is not for that. Oh, wait, here must fall that there. Oh, wait, that time, man. So right now, let's go to mommy Suzy and see the record she played yesterday. So let's continue.
Ọ̀gá ìjùmú ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ìgẹ́rẹ́ ni wọ́n ìfì àwọn obìnrin kìí kí wọ́n pẹ́ gbẹ́dẹ̀ àwọn tó ṣì náà ráyé ní à bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n ìkì èbúdó lẹ̀ sàbẹ̀búdó wa ẹgbẹ́ mi apẹ́wọ̀kọ̀ ìyá ìṣìwẹ̀ o you guys are blessed and faithful to be your social my darling good evening my darling as the family eri ọ̀nà èrè mẹ́kíá okay so eri àmì o ẹ̀ ti lè tó sága wẹ̀rẹ̀ mẹ́kíá ó mìíràn náà. I'm a very nice person, mon making. Zere se room mere mekia. O sarie me, eni no bere bugwe. what of a woman said the egg. There, Otakmo, where said you get ticket away. Remy or Saria me or Saria de, or the Rube. I will not go with the I will not go with the few bay. Remy Kia, every guy with resident no bame. You guys who was about 20 years to the Siawe. The National, here are your custom to the CV. The Pala. Il a mis en vrai. Et ça, nous payons mes passeports. On va pas number 1. Okay? Information also give it to me get a access away. On va make money. Hey, I jamais ya cool. On va venir ya te. Il want no il sait c'est Morocco. But on va gagner. Et ça on va high. No retreat, no salada. Eh no. Il comment quoi alors, I got les hommes. Gbese kelige ou ga gbese ebi na we resident no ba me e ke nu na fia we document be fa go e igba ya fia na wari egi pam I ma se de egberu force se de egi eru force ha no ja okay ya wo geru force le gune you get e ile mi aya wo true conversation with madam egbe maga agbon be ya o ya so won bo o na ya de fara imo anwe you get o de no rota gbon na ya unwe ya ye ife nya gbe ya no rota gbon na ya Unuwe yaye, ijoba we ri poto, ri pata ero torukun. La re mi, weke to gu mekun do tota, we mo wa do gu me we saga remi. U pere le we bolwa old school tele. U ya dress. U do ye set complete go to ya tota. U are day. Na we go tota ye ministry of justice. U do gu me we saga. Then I wear your one-on-one. Woman to woman. You work I can. My best about this guys were water. People were laughing at you. Oh, Pano Bianca, we're not going to the bedroom at the party. Men who are saying, wow. You go by the government in Apuleva, if I'm Yoshi. I don't know what I'm Yoshi. We're not the ticket bar, Una Leipzig. Una Yamu Nopia. No, your office able. Or then your office able, I'm going to go my forward. I get Betty, Nasilatia, all the year. Where you got ever see coin. Or a fear by me, yo, and we hear what passing. Larry, I got him away. A carry by mistakenly identity. I'm sorry, pardon me, my people, because I hear Queno. I know. Pardon me.
Mommy Suzy. A can 2 years plus ya we mistake ya we can. Why do I for me? And I'm in my leg. A can we 2 years. Okay, I can away 1 night stand or 2 night stand. Only a mistake. E can we invest for 2 years plus. Wait a mistake. It's not a mistake. Alright, a mena massa po remi. Où ya yarewa? E remi se problème. E remi se problème we. Ah mo remi ye. What we have to Snapchat abi wo mo yi. Owe va do ya bege. E remi na ga sampo o siezore. Where e can we Eremi adomi we. Evani wala lari. What I say? Mistake. Of a can a mistake you. A can a wall up for 2 years. Only a mistake. Hello, they are not hearing me. What I say? What I say? E don't please I will not judge this side. I will not judge this side. At the center. Because you know if me say na mistake it take shop bowler for 2 years plus. What do you know what that? Only a mistake. Orite dode. Orite dowe. Hello. Una not dey hear me.
No, your office able. Or then your office able ya go bi go ma foba. A ke peti na silatia. E o le bi e. Where you got ever see coin. Or a fear by me, yo. Everybody here for Basse. Larry, I got him away. A canny by mistakenly identity. I'm sorry, pardon me, my people. Because a vehicle, I know. Pardon me. A hotel. A page. Yeah, pay your telling. Or a worry in your water tata.
That is purchase bag in matter, you know, there. Oh, pay you 10 or yare. What pay? When they pay, you go tell no clear. It means the man is working well. What? When they pay you well, no clear. Who pay you tell? Who lay there with me? Not those Zanzan. It means the man is a rima. More they talk away. The man they do the work where he can't do. He they do away. Only when he bugwalo. Not be all women they pay hotel for man. Hello, una not the hear me. One of the listing.
A hotel, a pay. Yeah, pay the hotel in or worry in your boat because you want to say a women loja. If I'm done with him, I'll be the upper. If you give a go, imagine ticket to go and for 1 day. You got me. If I get Jamie a partition, in a year party, go out with Dafati Jamie 9. Open what here let the area party. All body, I is at the L. Oh, I'm more than the mamma. My what I can't cry. My woman, the area. Oh, we are in a says boy. Open almost a mechanic to send me a table. Open only very cool metal de suit today. A yard of Yakulia. As you would generate. I never fashion at the Sana Motor Buffet material as a suit. Then Safari, Juanajo. I never fashion the Sana Safari, never or done. I mean, a person. More than ya. Huh? Lare Rebecca. Who can a Pumegua? Mesha. Are you sure? Yamo Mama's back in the beer hall. You get better than what comes. See, you don't even have the beer hall. You are too low for my liking. Are you getting me? You are too low for my liking. A man know what I want. Move on what I said, you know. A picture of what said. It got in a kina. It got in a kina. It got in one. Women, Ulawa. All those who wait for Saturday, the street market, yes, and Gamuri Kokobili. Near Muri. No matter what if I go to Yasso, you go no. 1,550. Oh, one back. I live here. Masara. Media away. No, you give me a party. You have a metal for Siri Ladia. Otakomwe, you have a metal Ladia. What have a metal for Sapaka? Can you know way, Ladia? Oh, I don't know where I go with your body way. I do that in Merosa away. No good way. A single mother stupidity. Single mother stupidity. When I single mother said they will marry, but people want to now. You're not doing marriage. Before they give you appointment for marriage for Spain or any European country. Who first not get passport? Now won't be fitted. Who first get? You must officially stay for that country. Prove about the metal for 1 year. The first time when you first go do this woman, TO, now be February. The second time when you first go, now be the second time we go this last week. So we be not go carry your sister. We say no give her. Now go here for you. Ma we to say one marry say na yours man. Wa beg get na we. O no jale ba no go me no. You go láti yo no. Okay. E pa ani nuga aso ni eni. Nuga ma friend we ga no nu ya ro. I got that some say ni. Eye we talk we be na kwewe. Nyaga. Why say kenoji why say property oge. Ki mo take yo ya we selfie. Ona ja we pieki. O se pe me abuja be oni. We o ma gbo we. Ugi aka ogbe Morocco airline. O wa de Nigeria. E fe ya we ki. O we na te to na so ye Nigeria e here we mu. Me mu here in Nigeria ni jo. Here me mu image Nigeria for a visit. Okay? I am a working class lady, a business woman, a business attacker, a distributor of Hollandies, original one, made in Holland, sell in Belgium. Oga, you guys, I'm a business attacker, international, worldwide. Go and verify with a capital letter. We get a person.